अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? ठीक ठाक हैं। आज आप लोगों को मैं सिखाऊंगी रस्ट गोल्ड आई मेकअप, जो कि इंतहाई अच्छा और ख़ूबसूरत होगा। और जिस तरह आपको टसल्स दिखाई दे रहे हैं, तो इसी से मैचिंग में मेकअप जो है तो करूँगी। तो ब्लैक जो है तो मेरा दुपट्टा है और इसके साथ बहुत खूबसूरत लगता है। तो काशिश के सिल्क एंड स्लीक से मैंने पीच कलर लिया है, जो कि इंतहाई खूबसूरत कलर है और बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है। आई एम यूजिंग इट एज अ ट्रांजिशन कलर एट माई crease area, and I'm blending it with the help of Zoeva fluffy brush. Zoeva fluffy brushes are very nice to use, and this is Glamorous Face eyeshadow, and I'm using this maroonish color in my corners for the look of deep and brightened look. And you can see the pigment, the Glamorous Face colors are nice and very pigmented. Some colors are very highly pigmented, but some are not. But overall, I love this palette. So I'm blending it in my corner area, and in the position of back and forth I'm blending, and you can see the result of the color. And in the end I will show you how I did it rust gold. So now I am blending the border, so there should be no harsh line, because it looks very bad if there is any harsh line. So I have to blend it, and in circular motions I did it. Now I am using black color from Silk and Sleek, and as you know, black color is very difficult to handle, so I'm using it very carefully, and I'm using it in only my corner, in only my outer V, and I'm blending very carefully, and it is a very difficult color. If you people are new here, so take a moment to subscribe my channel, and I upload videos about makeup, about grooming, and now I took darker shade of maroonish, and I blend it well. So you can see the rust color is coming out, and now I'm going to cut my crease with a flat brush of Zoeva, and the foundation I'm using is BB cream of Miss Rose. As I told you in my previous videos, that it is very nice BB cream. It is not very heavy, it is not very khaki. So now I used gold color, and you can see how beautiful it is. And now I'm applying a dust shimmer on my full eyelid, and I'm blending it with Zoeva brush, and this is gold shimmer. So I'm applying it on overall my eyelid. Now I'm focusing on the eyelid with my finger. After this I'm using shimmer, and you can see this is a liquid shimmer, and it is very pigmented. And now I'm using gold color in my lower line for the complete look. It is must to apply eyeshadow on your lower line. Now I'm using Aqua eyeliner, and the brush I'm using is Christine brush, and this is specifically for the eyeliner. So I will draw a very thin line from start to end, and you can see there is a short small wing I created, and you can also observe that this is rust color which came out. When you draw any line, you have to be careful because it needs your full attention, and I'm drawing very carefully. Makeup is also a drawing, it's also a type of drawing, so you can check that I'm drawing very carefully. So you have to be very careful. Okay, there should be no empty space. Now I am applying mascara on my upper lashes as well as I will apply it on my lower lash line. So don't forget your lower line. And now I have applied my false lashes, and this is my complete look. Subscribe my channel, like my video, and comment, share if you want. So if you are new here, so take a moment to subscribe my channel. And the last thing, that please follow my Instagram page. The name of my page is Pink Shop Online 29. There are lots of videos and pictures for you people, and enjoy this makeup look. Thank you so much. Bye bye.